Everybody. My name is Abiola. Welcome back to my channel. As I earlier promised, I'll be giving you tips that will help you in your final app challenge in your Microsoft Powerup program. So today we'll be creating chatbot with the minimum of 5 questions that is part of the requirements for the final app challenge. Okay, so for a start, let's go. Chatbot is now Copilot. So we search for Microsoft Copilot Studio. You search for Microsoft Copilot Studio, pick the first one, then you're going to try the free version. Once you're there, you put in your email address. Once you're there, you put in your email address, then you click on next, and it will take you to this page. So on this page now, we are creating our Copilots, which is the same thing as your chatbot. So we want to create a new one for the benefits of this training. Let's label this YouTube training. We label this YouTube training, then we click on create. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel to get more tips on your final app projects, final app challenge in your Microsoft Power Up program. So this is our YouTube training, the chatbot that we want to do. So we are going to create new topic. As you can see, you have the greeting already. Hello, I'm YouTube training virtual assistant, just that you are aware. So you can modify this. You can modify this in the topic in the topic option. See, existing already at this topic, so we are leaving the greeting, the goodbye. For those ones that you don't really want, you can disable it. So let's just disable all the existing topics so that does not disturb what we are trying to create. But we are going to leave the greeting topic and the goodbye topic also. We'll leave that. So let's create our new topic. So let's start with, we can create, say for instance, we can hide this page so that we can have more space to work with. So let's call this our new topic, open as. Then you edit the phrase. This phrase is what will trigger the customer's question. So open, let's do part of the phrase that will trigger this topic. Open, close, sign, as. Okay, so then the next thing, you click on the add nodule to add a message. So let's say style. Remember, we are creating app for style boutique. So we say style boutique opens 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. weekdays. 9 a.m. to what 9 p.m. this weekdays. So if you are okay with that response, we go ahead to click the next the node, add node, then you come to topic management and we end conversation. So we are okay with that, then we'll save it. So let's quickly test what we have created. Let's go. So we'll go to the test your Copilot. We say, when do you open? So a customer is asking now, when do you open? So you can see the response. So Style Boutique opens between the hour of 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. weekdays. So let's quickly create another topic now. We can still hide this for us to have space. So we want to create a topic on delivery. So that's one topic. We created one already. So delivery option now. Let's call this delivery option. So we edit the phrase that should trigger this. So delivery, pick up, dispatch. So in this also we are sending a message. So our message, let's just say Okay, so delivery takes 2 to 3 working days. Then we can include pickup at our location, at our various location daily. So we can just say pickup happen at our various location daily. So if you are okay with that, you click the add node also. Then in this instance, you are okay, we just go ahead to end the conversation, and we'll save it. Once that is saved, we can still test it. So let's just quickly test what we have done. So here we say, how long does delivery takes? So immediately the response comes up. Delivery takes 2 to 3 working days. Pick up as available. So that is perfect. So let's go ahead to hide this. We want to create a topic and that will require us asking questions from the customer. So still the same way, create topic from the blank this time around. So let's call this feedback. So now we want to get information from the customer. So edit phrase. Let's edit the phrase that should prompt this. So let's say the customer wants to give us a feedback. This should prompt, or complaint. Let's say customer wants to complain about the product, likes, dislike, love. So in this, we said we want to get more information. So when we are adding node this time around, we are not doing send message. It will come with, this time around we want to get, so we are asking question now. So uh, this is, we can say thank you. Can we know your name? Can we know your name? Just below the topics and plugin here, we have what is called entities. That is where we have some stored entities like name, age, email address, and the likes. I will show you just after this. So here we identify the entity that we want to pick now. Name. So name, we want to pick the name entity. So personal name. So what we are asking chatbot to do is to extract from customer's response, to extract the customer's name from it. So let's call it the variable. Let's label this variable name. Let's label this variable name. So after that, you add node again. We are still asking question. We still want to get more from the customer so that we can reach the customer. So this time around, we add the name. So we personalize our message. We say thank you. Include the customer's name now. So we are including the variable. You click here, you insert the variable that we have created earlier. So you say thank you, the customer's name. Can you please state your email address to enable one of our team members contact you. So we identify this entity also just the same way we did with the name. This time around, we say email. This time around we say email, then we save the variable as email. So we have email variable. We save that now and we'll continue. So now that we have gotten the customer's name and customer email, we add note, and this time we are not asking for that question again. So we are just sending a message. So our message can just be our message. Okay, so now we just say thank you. We have the customer's name already, so we include the name. Thank you name. Okay. One of our team, sorry. So one of our team members will contact you on, we can include the email again so that the customer can check if the email is wrong, can make correction. So email, thank you. So that ends this conversation. So now we add